I can't see you. Hi. 今から髪の毛切ってもらいます。I can't see. Hi. Gozaimasu. Yummy. Ang ganda ni mo. Bon appetit. Yummy. Wait, how are you gonna eat this? This is the reveal. What? But then there's no knife. Ah, nakagupit daw. Nakakat na yun. Ay, I have to use my hands. Oh my gosh, may ganito palang pizza carbonara.
Na.
Kumusta?
Tama, gusto daw ganito.
Game na?
Yan.
This is what I wrote. Life continues even when it feels like the end. A new story starts once you take a step. Any size or shape of a step is rewarding and worthy of your space. Don't be afraid for the future. You will be there waiting to guide you. Don't be afraid. For the future, you will be there waiting to guide you. Oh my gosh, there's two ways to read this. It's up to you how you want to interpret this drawing and this. This one naman is the adult and these are the kids. I put ko wa o mamoru. Wait!
Oh.
Maliktad!
Ano?
O wa ko mamoru. Wait lang. Kuki ni inochiを生む。花に力を借りる。そういう意味、そういう絵です。じゃーん。
The next stop is Toyoshima-Nande Mall.
Hindi naman siya. Hindi ko alam siguro pag mataas na level.
Get it. I'm thinking of a strategy. I should push it. I don't know. I don't even know if this sniper is strong. Oh? What the hell? Oh, good. Oh my gosh, it's timer. Oh my gosh, wait, it's hard pala. See, yeah, I cannot go there anymore eh.
Hindi makita.
I can't go there anymore.
Ay, di wag dyan.
Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh, I think I did it. Because so, I have to hold it there in the back. Give it to me. I have to hold it here. Gulay. Like this. And then... Eh? I thought gumalang na siya dun. Eh. And I feel likeちょっとバッかなor duck ko na lang. Ano mas better? Duck ko or likod?
Dapat papunta dito sa ano.
Oh my gosh! I mistake! I couldn't see the plastic. I was so close. Iniisip ko malapit lang ako pero I feel like hindi ko makukuha yun. Think positive lang pero sabi niya, Mom, you have to go now. Kaya we left now. Kung mag-isa lang ako siguro, inubos ko na pera ko dun. Look at Mom eating nikumang again. Parang lahat ng video ko kumakain si Mom ng nikumang. We're on the way. Ay, hindi ko pala sinabi. We're on the way to a psychiatrist. Ang cute nito. This orange. Kawaii siya. Ano? Puring daifuku. Turo nga. Galing ko naman. Sugod. Ay! So, stop. Yung sauce sa gitna na. Ah! Lumalabas. Oshiso. Purin. Parang ano siya, leche plan niya. Mom, eat it. Sarap. Hindi na ba mo? Wow. Looks so good. I'm going to start. Wait, there was all this of them. Oh my gosh, this is so fat. Yan.
Iyata ako na yun eh.
Ulitin mo. In-order namin, ano to, ice cream na kuri. Chestnut.
Hindi ka naman na mag-vlog. Ano ba yan?
Ayan.
Galaw mo.
Hindi, ayan. Naka-steady.
Kinain na yan ni Mama.
Oo, kinagat ko na yan. Kinagat daw. Sarap niya. Super. Ngayon lang ako nakakain ng ganitong ice cream. Lasa. Okay. Hey guys! Nakauwi na daw kami. Sabi ni Mom. I wanted to show you what we got from Luna Earth. Akitekimasu. Mazu wa Mom no how do you call this? Phone strap. Heart 形のなんていうのこれ。
これ伸びるやん、これ引っ張ったら。
貼り付け目のほこりといて。Like this for my phone case. めっちゃ綺麗。これめっちゃ可愛い。鏡なってんじゃん。I also got a ponytail, silver, very cute, very demure. Actually, ちっちゃいじゃなくて大きめにした。ここにノートとペンも忘れちゃって家に。 野間先生絶対長いから買った方がいいかなと思って、コンビニでさっき買って、
なんかパスポートみたい
これ書いて、これも書いた。これこれスカートのイメージ、でこれがサン、太陽。やばい、長すぎた。ちょっと待って、これめっちゃカットせな。では次の Back to the vlog. Roll the next clip. Go Sophia. Go edit. I'm on my way to dance. I'm walking because it's also exercise. It's so dark. I'm at home and I don't know. I feel like I'm just too hard on myself. Like every time I take a dance lesson, like every Saturday after dance class, I kind of get upset because I didn't do well as I thought I would be able to do, or like I expected myself to be able to do. Yeah, I think I'm just so hard on myself. Because looking back at the video now after taking a break, it wasn't that bad. I don't know why I get upset at myself for not dancing the way I dance in my head. My body doesn't move. It's just so hard to explain. If you're a beginner at dance, you would know that the struggle is real. Even just follow a choreo that you've never seen, or the song you've never heard in your life, and just do it in just rehearsing it for a couple of times only, and then filming yourself, and then looking at your video, and you're just like, yeah, that was kind of bad, and I wish I could do better, but I don't know how to be better. I think I'm too hard on myself, and my bangs are all wet because I'm so sweaty. I'm gonna try to drink this Ichigo Milk. I think it's a Korean brand, is it? I mean, it's in Korean, so I'm gonna try it. Good night. It's so dark. You can see here. We're walking. We went already to the grocery. Thank you for the light. We're thinking of buying McDo. Is that the plan? Yeah. Is that the plan? Wait, I was supposed to eat my cheese. Never mind. We're almost home now.
Teka, layo pa.
Ayan na. Nilait mo yan tuloy.
Gumalaw nga.
Ba't ang dilim dito? Nasaan ba tayo? Here. I'm eating. Ayun. Agabi. Nasaan naman ako ngayon? Ayun, cheese. Here's my bodyguard. Kaya walang nang malapit sa akin. Here's my bodyguard. Char!
She was a good person. Here, I brought some.
今からあるとこ行かなあかんくて、それで緊張してるから、お父さんからのエールやな。今から歌ってくれそうです。せーので。めっちゃ可愛いじゃん、お父さん。やばい！今何分？
ファイトしました。21本です。
あと
ファイトしました。
5分ぐらいで行かなあかんけど。みんなも私にファイトって言って。
ファイトだよー。ゴーゴーゴー、ファイトだよー。
行ってきます。
5万9千。
やばい、なんかすぐ食べないとな。なんか楽しめないな、これ。やば、これ。
やばすぎるやん。
うん。
ちょっとやばいね。うん。
なんかめっちゃうまい。
美味しい。
うん。
いらんわ。食べても落ち着かない。
Look at, guys, look at my tears. I'm watching me and my mom are watching the last episode of Outer Banks, season 4. Oh, I don't like you. I don't care. So, we just finished Outer Banks season 4. And, Mom, what are your opinions on it? Me, I'm just so sad. We got so little scenes of Key and JJ. I wanted to see more of their like romantic scenes, but I don't know what happened. Sarah and John B are, they're always cute, and she's, oh my god, I was gonna spoil it. I can't spoil, sorry, no spoilers. But Rafe, Rafe, I don't know, but Rafe, hi. Anyways, what's your opinion, Mom? I cried, but I enjoyed it. Yeah, I thought I would get bored. Some scenes were like taking so much time, but honestly, overall, I enjoyed it. We finished it in 2 days. Oh no! Really? So we watched 5. Oh wait, no, we watched it the 1 to 5 first, and then we waited, and then then we found out there was 6 to 10. Nah, yeah. So I think they didn't release it all on the same date, so that's why. But yeah, I had fun bonding with my mom. Yeah. Okay, so I'll vlog again tomorrow, or I don't know when. Bye! Hi guys, this is it. This is the end of another episode of my weekly diaries. I just want to come on here. I keep saying that. I think that's my line. Like, I keep saying that line way too much. But I just wanted to say thank you for staying until the end. Thank you for always liking, subscribing, sometimes commenting. I would love to see more feedback from you guys, so comment down below, and I'll see you for another brand new video next week. That's it. Bye. Thank you. Here's a heart. Hi. Bye bye. Actually, bye bye.